President Mike Pence in Orlando at this hour to sell the Republican tax reform plan.
The vice president touting both how the president's plan will help middle-class families and small businesses. News Channel 5's Tori Dunnan is live now with what the president had to say today. Tori?
Michael and Kelly, the vice president was here at a boat manufacturing company in the U.S. It was symbolic because he talked a lot about cutting taxes for businesses and corporations to create more jobs and make U.S. companies more competitive globally. This all started with the governor of Florida as well as the vice president sitting and listening to workers talk about what they're struggling with when it comes to taxes. The vice president then went on to say this could be the biggest tax cut that America has ever seen. Take a listen to what he says is one of the biggest components of this.
The first $24,000 in income for families in America will be 100% tax free. We're doubling the standard deduction. That's going to mean real opportunities.
Some of the other key components on the plan that he touched on, the corporate tax rate going down to 20%, the number of income tax brackets moving from 7 to 4. Also, as he mentioned, almost doubling the standard deduction for families and individuals, ending a state tax by the year 2024. So a lot of people question, well, what does all this mean for families? Earlier today, House Speaker Paul Ryan says that a tax savings of $1,182 a year would be for the average family of 4. But now comes the big test. Vice President mentioned, of course, the Senate will speak up next, and then ultimately they have to determine if there are enough votes. But he says he wants this passed this year. We're live in Orlando. Tori Dunnan, WPTV News Channel 5.